Shri Sudarshana Shadakshar Mula Mantra Vidhi. The six-syllable prayer of the divine discuss. By Yu Wei Shri Keshava Bhattacharya. Om Asya Sri Sudarsana Shad Akshara Maha Mantra Rajasya. Sesha Bhagavan Rushihi. Gayatri Chandaha. Shraum Ram Bijam. Hum Siktihi. Krom Fat Kilakam. Mama Amuka Dasasya Sakala Vidhi Sarvabhishta Siddhaye. वा अमुक यजमानस्य स्त्रीपुत्रादीनां सर्वारिष्ट शान्तये तथा वर्तमान दुष्ट ग्रह ग्रसित रोगादीनां सद्य परिहारार्थे चान्यद अपि सर्व संकट भयादि शीघ्र समनाय अथ च सर्व शत्रु पराजयाय सर्वतो में विजयारोग्यार्थ पुरस्सर श्री सुदर्शन वर प्रसाद सिद्ध्यर्थे च श्री सुदर्शन कैंकर्य रूपे षड अक्षर मूल मंत्र जपे विनियोगः. O Lord, this is the six-syllable, Emperor of all great prayers of the divine discuss. Bhagwan Shesha is the seer of this mantra, Gayatri is the meter, Shamram is the seed, Hum is the power, Kraum Fat is the peg. This procedure for the fulfillment of all my desires or for the immediate pacification of all evils afflicting this sponsor, his wife and family, and the immediate avoidance of suffering diseases from the presence of evil planets and also for the quick relief of all calamities, fears, etc., and then defeating all my enemies on all sides, is the purpose for chanting the six-syllable root mantra which I now do as a service unto Shri Sudarshana, the divine discuss. Atha Rishyadi Nyasaha. Om Sesha Bhagavate Rishye Nama Sirasi. Om Gayatri Chandase Namo Mukhe. Om Chakra Rajaye Devataye Namo Hrudaye. Om Kshraum Ram Bijaya Namo Nabho. Om Hum Saktaye Nama Katidese. Om Krom Fat Kilakaya Nama Padayoho. Om Jape Viniyogaya Nama Sarvange. Iti Rishyadi Nyasaha. Atha Akshara Nyasaha. Om Swaha Namo Murdhini. Om Sam Namo Nasikaya. Om Hum Namo Mukhe. Om Sram Namo Hrudaye. Om Fam Namo Gulfayoho. Om Tam Nama Padayoho. Om Sahasrara Hum Fat Sarvange. Iti Akshara Nyasaha. Atha Kara Nyasaha. Om Sam Am Achakraya Sram Ram Ranat Kinkani Jalaya Anmushtabhyam Namaha. Om Ham Hreem Vichakraya Sreem Reem Ripu Damanaya Tarjanibhyam Namaha. Om Sram Kraum Suchakraya Srum Rum Rakshasadi Bhaya Nivaranaya Madhyamabhyam Namaha. Om Ram Kshram Jwala Chakraya Sraim Raim Sarva Roga Samanaya Anamikabhyam Namaha. Om Hum Kshraum Surya Chakraya Sraum Raum Ramesa Priyaya Kanishtikabhyam Namaha. Om Fataim Sudarsana Chakraya Srararakta Malyambara Dharaya Karatalakara Prishtabhyam Namaha. Iti Kara Nyasaha. Atha Hrudayadi Nyasaha. Om Sam Am Achakraya Sram Ram Ranat Kinkini Halaya Hrudayaya Namaha. Om Ham Hreem Vichakraya Sreem Reem Ripu Damanaya Sirase Swaha. Om Sram Kraum Suchakraya Srum Rum Rakshasadi Bhaya Nivaranaya Sikhaye Vashat. Om Raksham Jwala Chakraya Sraim Raim Sarva Roga Samanaya Kavachaya Hum. Om Hum Kshraum Surya Chakraya Sraum Raum Ramesa Priyaya Netrebhyo Voshat. Om Fataim Sudarsana Chakraya Srararakta Malyambara Dharaya Astraya Fat. Iti Hrudayadi Nyasaha. Atha Dasa Digbandhanam Api Kuryat. Then he should also close the 10 directions. Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Sudarsanaya. Sahasra Koti Surya Prakasaya. Mahajwala Mani Kundalaya Swaha. Om Bhur Bhuvas Suvar. Om Iti Dasa Digbandhanam Kuru Kuru Swaha. O Lord, I offer my obeisance to the Supreme Divine Discuss, who is brilliant like 10 billion suns. Hail unto the great flaming one with jeweled earrings. O Lord, in the three worlds, I thus close the 10 directions. Hail, do it. Do it. Om Namo Bhagavate Sarvadharatmanegni Prakasaya. Sarvato Mam Raksha Raksha Mamopari Tishta Tishta Swaha. O Lord, I offer my obeisance to the Supreme Supporter of all that be. He shines brilliantly like fire. Protect me and all around me. Hail! Stand up! Stand up for me! Swasirasi chakra mudram pradrusyanena. Swatmano jalena veshtanam krutva dhyanam kuryat. After showing chakra mudra over his head, he shall encircle himself with water, then meditate as follows. Iti dasa digbandhanam. Atha dhyanam. Om kalpantarka prakasam tribhuvanam akhilam tejasa purayantam. Raktaksham pingakesam ripu kulabhedam bhima damshtrattahasam. Chakram sankham gadabje prututaramusalam chapa pasankusan swair. Vibranam dorbhiradyam manosi muraripum bhavayet chakra sangyam. Iti dhyanam. Sri Sudarsana Saranagati mantrena Saranagatim api kuryat tad yadha. One should also take refuge by the mantra Sri Sudarshana Sharanagati as follows. Om Bhagavan Sarva Vijayan Sahasrara Parajita. Saranam Tvam Prapannosmi Srikaram Sri Sudarsanam. O Lord, conqueror of all, the unconquerable one of 1,000 spokes. I take refuge in thee, the cause of prosperity, O divine Sudarshana. Note well. Each of the 6 verses below secretly starts with each of the 6 syllables in order. Om Sahasraditya Sankasam Sahasra Vadanam Param. Sahasrado Sahasraram Prapadyeham Sudarsanam. O Lord, you are brilliant like 1,000 suns. I offer 1,000 obeisances unto you. You have 1,000 arms and 1,000 spokes. I take refuge of you, O divine Sudarshana. Om Hasantam Hara Keyura Katakangada Bhushanam. Bhushanair Bhrajitam Kayam Prapadyeham Sudarsanam. O Lord, I take refuge in radiant Sudarshana, whose body is adorned with ornaments, including necklaces, armlets, bracelets and finery. Om Srakaram Sahitam Mantram Japatam Satru Nigraham. Sarva Dosha Pranasyantam Prapadyeham Sudarsanam. O Lord, the mantras including the letter Sara bring about the subjugation of enemies for those who recite them. I take refuge in Sudarshana, who destroys all faults. Om Ranat Kinkini Jalena Rakshasadnam Mahadbhutam. Vyapta Kesam Birupaksham Prapadyeham Sudarsanam. O Lord, I take refuge in Sudarshana, whose sound is the jingling of bells. He is the slayer of demons, greatly wondrous, pervading hair, with varied eyes. Om Humkaram Bhairavam Bhimam Pranatarti Haram Prabhum. Sarvabhishta Pradadevam Prapadyeham Sudarsanam. O Lord, whom obeisances to the terrifying, frightening, remover of the pain of the supplicants. I take refuge in Sudarshana, the giver of all desires. Om Fatkarantam Anirdesyam Santam Mantrena Samyutam. Prasanna Vadanam Bhadram Prapadyeham Sudarsanam. O Lord, Fat. Undesignated, peaceful, combined with mantra. I take refuge in Sudarshana, who has a pleasant and auspicious face. Om Ete Shadbhi Stuto Deva Prasannam Sri Sudarsanam. Raksham Karoti Sarvatma Sarvatra Vijayi Bhavet. One who chants these 6 verses of praise, pleases Sri Sudarshana, is always protected in all situations and achieves victory everywhere. Om Sarva Vignan Sarva Doshan Vinasayati Satvaram. Sudarsanasya Mantrena Pranatim Karayet Pura. It quickly destroys all obstacles and all evils. One should again bow down with the mantra of Sri Sudarshana. इस प्रकार मूल से अंग न्यासादि करके यथा कार्य संकल्प करके सहस्राक्षरी का पाठ प्रारंभ करें. In this way, start reciting the 1000-syllable Sudarshana mantra. Presented next by performing these basic preliminaries, starting with Anga Nyasa, etc. and chanting the 6-syllable Mula mantra.
Om Namo